Hi everybody, this is Greg, the SwankCook, and today I want to introduce you to SwankCook. A lot of you don't know what it is or where it came from, so I'm going to share a little bit, take you on a little tour about SwankCook, and it is all about making money. See Luigi back there? He's saying make money selling food. It's that simple. I want to make it easy for you to make money selling your food. So we are different from Etsy. Etsy basically, let me take you on a tour over there, show you Etsy. This is SwankCook. Let me downsize this photo here. So this is SwankCook. So in SwankCook, we focus directly on food. So you can sell whatever you want. Whatever your imagination is with your food, you can sell it here in SwankCook. You should have a license and you should be a chef or a baker. There is many laws in different areas. But technically, if you have a will, there's a way. So building a business selling food can be quite lucrative. And I've seen many chefs and bakers selling food online and making a lot of money. So we've created the software to help you do this. It's a lot like Instagram or Facebook, where you build followers, you build up your customer base, and you continue building and selling food to people that love your food. So here's an example of some of our chefs and some of our featured cooks that we have in the site now. So this is like a beginning profile. These are their profiles. And let me take you over to Etsy real quick. So this is all about food. And here you go. Now we're going to Etsy. And there's people making money on Etsy. But where's the food category? There's crafts, there's vintages, there's arts and crafts. Really, there's no target market for food here. How are they going to find you? You know, this is Etsy. They're huge, but what we're doing is we're bringing specifically a food categorized software and features for you to sell these foods. So let's go into one of the profiles and take a look and see how it works. So we're going to go into this profile here, and we're going to go into Sue's profile. And basically, this is kind of what it looks like. So you'll have you need to post your picture here. You post your city, and that way it comes up, and people can shop you. Look about me conversation, and the food you love. You can put tags in there, or you can actually make a statement about the foods that you prepare, how you prepare them, and just use your imagination there. So, and then this is your whatever you want to call this, your dashboard here. So you can do different things. So you can manage your profile, view your purchases, view your orders. So as you sell items, you can see what you've sold. Here's sell your food. Here's some of the dishes that Sue has been marketing. So she has this here. It's a looks like a sourdough bread with clam chowder in it. These are some kind of potato pancakes. Click on that and you can kind of see what is going on with the list. So see how it reads up, this is what it is, and then the listing will show up. So this is basically how the listing looks when she lists it on SwankCook. So you have your title here. Make sure you use keywords so people can find it. It says that it's added by Chef Sue. Here's the price. Here's the location that she sells the product in. Here's your categories. And then this is great. This is, if you want to sell something all the time, that's fine. But we also have it set so you can do pre-sales. So say you're going to make this sourdough bread and clam chowder. You can say you can purchase it through Monday through Thursday. And then the listing ends. So you get all your purchases. And then you make it on Friday. So you have the listing days. And then here's the delivery date, and here's delivery charges. You can charge delivery charges. here's the description and how many people it will feed. So you just fill in all this information. It's very easy, and then it makes it. Then people can just pull the trigger to purchase it from you. And basically, it's that simple. Here's what the profile looks like to other people. So if you were a user coming in and you were checking out Sue's profile, this is how it would look to you. So here's some of the features that are really great for marketing yourself. So once you have your dishes listed, you can share it on your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Basically, you can do an email list. And the great thing is when you get people to your page, they can follow you. So it's just like Instagram or like Facebook. They follow you and you build up your followers. And then once you have these followers, and the more followers you have, every time you submit a new dish, these people get notified that you are selling a new dish. So instantly, they know that you're making something new, and they can purchase it from you. It's insane the way it works. So, and then here's the mapping of where you live. So the map is always great too. So with that said, I'm not going to go in too much depth, but that gives you a little tour of what it's all about. And then here's how it works. Generally, we make it easy for people to order food from their favorite cooks and restaurants. So they basically come in, they browse the chefs or browse the city that they're in. They order the food and you deliver it. It's that simple. So check it out. Go to SwankCook.com, sign up, and I'll be here to help you with anything you need. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through SwankCook or message me on YouTube. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'm here to help, and I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks a lot.